In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Agoda payment options. Whether you're planning your next trip or just comparing payment methods before you book, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you know exactly where to look and what to expect. First, make sure you're logged into your Agoda account. This is important because certain payment options, discounts, or stored cards are only visible once Agoda recognizes who you are. Open your browser or the Agoda app and sign in using your usual login details. If you're not logged in, you can still browse hotels, but you might not see all the payment-related information that's specific to your profile, such as saved cards, loyalty perks, or region-specific options. Once you're signed in, it's time to search for a hotel. On the Agoda homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests and rooms. Take a moment to enter these details carefully, since the available rooms and prices depend on the dates and number of people you select. Then start your search. Agoda will load a list of properties that match your criteria. Now browse through the available hotels and choose one that fits your needs. You can look at photos, read reviews, and check the location to make sure it's right for you. When you're ready, click on the hotel to open its details page. Here you'll see different room types, prices, and conditions, such as free cancellation or breakfast included. Select the room option that you prefer. Choosing a specific room type is what allows Agoda to calculate the exact total and show you the payment options available for that particular booking. After you've chosen your room, proceed to the booking page. Usually, this means clicking a button like Book Now or a similar call to action that takes you to the checkout process. On this booking or checkout page, you'll see a breakdown of the total price, including taxes and fees, along with fields to enter guest details. It's a good idea to double check the dates, the number of guests, and the room type at this stage, so you're verifying the booking you're about to pay for. On the same booking page, you'll find the section that shows the available payment options. This is the key part of the process. Scroll down until you see the payment area. Here, Agoda will display the methods you can use for this particular booking, which might include credit or debit cards, digital wallets, or other local payment services, depending on your country and the property settings. Some bookings may also support paying now or paying later, and that will be clearly indicated if it's available. Take a moment to review these options carefully. Even if you're not ready to complete the payment yet, this is exactly where you can check what methods are accepted for that hotel and that room type. If you want to compare, you can go back, select a different room or even a different hotel, and repeat the process to see if the payment choices change. And that's all you need to do to check Agoda payment options. Log in, search and select a hotel and room, proceed to the booking page, and review the payment methods listed there.